Hello. I hope everyone had a great afternoon and day, and welcome to Grandpa's Adventures. In my last video where I took a little stroll with Luna, who is right over there, of course, she's never too far from me, I showed you briefly a motor that I have. And I'm going to show you the rest of that today because some people had some interest in seeing that. First, we'll go right to the tank, which just basically sits on top of the motor. Got the pull start there. And as you can see, it is a Fedway saber. Go around here and get a better view of that. Yeah, it's been sitting outdoor. It's been through a little bit, but it sat in a garage for years and years and years and started right up afterwards. First of all, you see down here is where the points condenser and coil is at. Coil is way back in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Not much light. But I have to pull this unit off to get at it. So I'm gonna have to buy a wheel puller. You go down here, see where the spark plugs are at. It's a 2-cylinder. Of course, over here where your fuel hooks up, hooks right up to the cockpit or pit cock, whatever you want to call that there. Come up here and we got the speed throttle, which you can hook up to a cable and work this motor without using the handle here, which is nice. You got your different settings here for your choke. Oh, I just had a hummingbird buzz me. You know, overall, for as old as I believe this motor is, now, I think I mentioned it, and I'm pretty sure that this is a 1948. But what I'm going to do, after I go around here, let you see the prop, different parts of the motor. Got the prop down here. Like I said, you know, it could use a little work, but pretty solid. Right here you have the hole where the water goes in. Come up again. Here you got your carburetor, which I had off. That's pretty clean. Your choke and stuff. And to set your speed. This does as well. This is where you would hook up your cable up by your steering wheel and the controls. Now we get to the fun part. I'm gonna get in close and show you the model number. And I know there's a lot of gearheads out there because y'all got me interested in motors now again. So I'm gonna get in close on this. And if any of you are interested, you take and look those numbers up and check it out online and see what you can find out. And then by all means, come back either and leave something in the comments. I'm going to even get closer or come to my live stream. There we go. Model number on the left, serial number on the right. Fedway saber. Again, like I said, I do believe it's in 1948. But I know there's a lot of people out there that like to go online and look up them things themselves, which for one would be appreciated, and two, might be cool for you. See, because I need to get the spark plugs are pretty easy. The spark plugs basically are the same ones that go in lawnmowers, but the points, the condensers, and the coil, when I looked it up before, if I remember right, went to an old car, but they did have them available. And you can see this is the thing where you tighten it up to the boat, which I gotta fix this around and move this over to the left so it's upright. And in fact, I need to get it under the boat so it stops getting rained on. But again, overall, that's a pretty nice old motor. I bet you it would make this boat go like a bat out of hell. 12 horsepower motor on a 16-foot aluminum boat. Oh, Luna over there eating some grass. Huh, Luna? You good girl. Yes. Well, you know we're going to have to go over there and say goodbye to her. You know, again, I did have this running when I first got it. And again, I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you're interested in me going further with this, please hit the like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and get back to me in the comments. So before we sign off, let's go over here and talk to Luna girl. Huh? Oh yeah, let's talk to Luna girl. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Huh? You wanna get, come on. Oh. Anything's a toy to you, isn't it? Yeah, you're like a little child. Yes. Tell them, Luna, that, see, my dad's got a join button now. If you'd like to, you can join Grandpa's Adventures, but you don't have to. We love you to come around whether you join or not. Huh? Do you want me to show that? Huh? Should we throw it? Oh, anything's a toy for my girl. Hey, should we do the ball? Huh? No? It's so much fun with you, Luna. Yes. Everything is fun for her. Come on. Oh, gosh. Get it. Get it. Get it, get it, get it. Well, let's turn it around here, because you're more interested in what's going on everywhere, huh? Again, I hope everybody had a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great evening. Just have a great week. Bye, everybody.